Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Google Forms to a Facebook page. In this walkthrough, we'll connect a Google form to the call to action button on your Facebook page so visitors can easily submit information, sign up, or contact you. You'll need access to Google Forms and admin or editor access to your Facebook page. Start by opening Google Forms. On the dashboard, choose a sample form to get going quickly. Using a sample is a fast way to start if you don't already have a form built, and you can customize it later to fit your needs. Once the sample form is open, look toward the top right and click the copy icon. This duplicates the form into your account so you have full ownership and can edit it without affecting any templates. When prompted, confirm by clicking copy. You can give the duplicated form a clear name so you'll recognize it later. It's also a good idea to check that it's set to accept responses and that anyone with a link can access it, especially if your audience won't be signed into your organization's account. Keep the form link handy. You'll paste it into Facebook in a moment. Now switch over to your Facebook page. On your page, open the Options menu by clicking the three dots near the top. From there, choose the Action button option. This is how you set what the main button on your page does, which is perfect for directing people straight to your form. When the list of button types appears, select Sign Up. This label works well for most forms, whether you're collecting interest, bookings, or event registrations, because it sets the right expectation for visitors. After choosing Sign Up, click Next to move to the link screen. In the website field, paste the link to your Google form. Make sure it's the shareable form link so visitors can open it without permission issues. Give it a quick look to confirm there are no extra spaces and that it loads correctly when previewed. Finally, click Save. Your page's main button now points to your Google form. Visitors who tap Sign Up will be taken straight to your form to submit their details, making it easier for you to collect responses without sending individual links. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Forms to your Facebook page using the Page's Action button. Thanks for watching, and feel free to tailor the form content and page wording to match your brand and goals.